like with just one,
Yeah, I
like,
understand that. That makes
yeah.
sense. Are you still able to use Replit?
Yeah,
You are able? Are you?
yeah, yeah.
That's interesting because I believe it's only a matter of time. Um,
Mm.
maybe you will not be able to use it anymore. Most of my
Oh,
students, they already not able to use it. So
oh, is it the
maybe,
this?
yes,
Mm.
they start to enforce that you people have to pay.
Yeah,
So I think because you are following a different style from the other students create a repo for every exercise they have. But for you, you
oh,
just
right.
accumulate only two repos so far, Java, one for
Yeah,
Java, one for Python, and then you put a lot of files. So
yeah,
let us see how long it would last.
yeah. Okay.
I still, yeah, I can see. Can you please give me
Okay.
explanation about the output? Can you print the output first? Can you run
Yeah,
first so I can see?
yeah. So this is the first
Interesting.
one, second one, third, fourth,
Okay,
fifth.
can you please explain to me then line 99, what you have done here?
Yeah, so these two lines were the one that I couldn't get it using the normal way.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
I did this one tree so I could get this RO, right? Then I
Excellent.
just put
Okay.
S5 for the A because I couldn't like R getting ROA without like I couldn't figure it out like because it's like the distance
It's
to be
too,
able to
it's
get
not
it.
not equal. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And for this also the same thing. So I just had to plug like just take all the variables by itself.
So on
Uh,
line 105, you are trying to print what, please?
this RGMN.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, actually,
R G R G
yeah,
R G
yeah, there
M.
is, yeah, it's not equal.
Mm-mm. Yeah, it's true.
Yeah,
R G M N. Wow, that's not equal at all. But RG, you're able to get them using one slice.
yeah,
How you can do
and
that? Hmm. And then
for two,
MN also you are able to get them also.
yeah, actually,
Okay,
and
so what do you think?
RMN. Okay, so I can make this for RGMN, and then now, let's just make it. This is M3. Oh no, this will be 10. Right?
Hmm.
Yeah,
Interesting.
I can get
Yeah,
this way.
good, good. You,
Yeah.
your family should be proud of you. Really, you're a smart guy. Yalla.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, Let me share with you. That's okay. I'm not. I will not. I will never from now try to push you too much on the homework. I think.
Okay.
Yeah. But let me share, please. I would
Yeah.
like to share that. So I will pass you a code. So this code, I want you to look at it, please, and tell me if you can understand anything here. It is just a for loop
Okay.
and an if statement.
Okay. Um, I don't understand what the if statement is doing.
So it is checking if whatever you pass here and here, these two, this join actually join two things here, the directory path and the file name. Do you know what's the meaning of path? A directory path. So if you have so this is a path. It's a directory path. So this is a directory. Do you know what's the meaning of folder and directory? Do you know what's the meaning of folder in your computer?
Folder, yeah.
So directory, it is an old naming for folder. Okay. So directory is the same. So this, did you ever deal with paths in your, sometimes you need to copy files from one place to another, right? Did you do that on your computer? I believe yes, because you're copying games and dealing with games, right?
Yeah.
So sometimes maybe you need to open the games directory or folder, and then you go insert or remove some files from there and here, maybe to give you superpower at certain things, or even you can put a crack inside your, so you are able to deal with paths, I believe. So this join is able to connect this path with a file name. So imagine a file name called aum.dat. So if I have these two, this one and this one, I'm able to join them together and make one full path for it. So that will be the path of that file. So this means that this file is located here. Okay. In this folder. Okay. So typically this kind of joining make sure that the slashes is correct and everything is proper in the path before he's trying to check is it a file or not. So os.path is file. It is a function that check, is this a real file? Is it exist? Does it exist? Okay, if it is a file, so we will append the file name only inside the list. So it is just a list. Yes, we didn't deal with lists now in Python, but in Java we know what is a list. We know what is an array. So in short, this code, you give it a folder name or a path name. For example, you have a game, and then you want to see inside the folder how many files and what is the name of the files listed inside. So on a later stage, if you reach that stage that you're able to store all the file names in a file like that, you're able to, there is a functions that are able to tell you what is the size of each. Sometimes, how to say, sometimes, how to say, let me see, sometimes you would like to know what is the files that is bigger than others, or what is the biggest file inside a folder. Okay, so that can help you. Okay, so that is one of the ways. So imagine if this is a folder that is full of pictures, then we get the name of the pictures. We even can edit the names of the files. So if you have 1,000 files inside the folder, you're able to automate a script that choose certain files or even delete it, can copy it, can even change the naming to follow certain pattern. So that can be automated. Okay, so that's why Python is very popular in automating tasks. So if you have a task that you want to automate it inside your operating system, Python can do that. Okay, that's good. So let us move on. What is the last thing that we ever took?
We did I think the for loop. We did the
This one.
if there's an I or U, yeah, this one.
Okay, that's good. Okay,
Yeah.
then I would like to see if you understand why he make a cross on this part of the code, even though it is similar to what we have seen in the previous. So this is why he's making a cross here, when he's accepting this here like that.
Mm, I don't know.
Okay, do you understand this code? This is two passes of the code, two possibilities.
Yeah.
Okay, which one you understand easier?
I mean, both make sense, but both are okay.
Mhm.
But both are correct.
Yes, it is correct, but maybe he say it's a favorable. So he say here he's using a for loop, right? And he's using index also like that. But in the for loop, when we're using index like that, it is incremented automatically. But here it is incremented manually because we are in a while loop. While loop does not
Hmm.
increment um, our variable. So, okay, may I understand that what is he trying to do, at least in the code? What is the purpose of that code?
Uh, like he's trying to get all the characters. Give me character if character in another. It's just a word, and then he's just trying to get whether it's an or right? So
Yes, this is interesting. Yeah, okay.
yeah.
So, but only that?
Um, what is this for? Does that go for I in range times? What's the point of this other for loop? The for I in range time print.
So, is he going to print that a number of times, this line?
Yeah.
And the number of times is decided by what?
Oh, I.
Only I or times?
Oh, times up. Yeah.
Okay. So it means that he will print this word that he already input a number of times that it's depending on the number that he put here from 1 until 10, right?
Hmm.
Okay. So may I know if you can write that code with this path, with this kind of code, and try to run and let me know what is the output?
Okay. Mhm. The whole thing, right?
Yes, definitely. Yeah.
Okay. You want me to write with the for loop or with the while loop?
Try with the while loop.
Okay. Okay, when I print it, oh wait, I need to add times equal in um, the
Did we ever take before using if with in like that?
I don't think so.
Okay, so this is something new in Python, huh? Is it easier? Does it
Yeah.
make it easy
Uh,
a bit?
a bit, yeah, but it's just complicated.
Okay.
Whoa. I mean, I printed it, but it doesn't stop looping.
Really? Why? Why?
Uh,
Share with me the beauty. So no, okay. Let us close and open again, and I would like
okay,
to see that.
okay.